There are moments when time carries more than you can track. Ideas, tasks, vision, planned in a fraction of a second, but often lost just as quickly. This is where Flashback changes the process. Adding notes. You select a date. You add a note, a title, a clear intention. You write it down, not just as a thought, but as a decision, and you add it to flow. Again, a second note, structured, precise, added to flow. A third, what was once scattered, now starts to align. Tasks. You switch to tasks. Same process, title, note, but now it's execution. You add it to flow. Another task. Not just ideas anymore, but actions, links. You move to links. You paste a reference. Do you recognize him? A classic, right? Even inspiration has its place in the system. Images. You add an image, a title, a short description, and you save it. Visual context, now part of your structure. Viewing the calendar. Now you return to the calendar. You open what you've created. A card appears, clean, precise, complete. The content, fully displayed. Text, visual, context, exploring entries. You open another, a vision, an overview of where you're going. Another, a simple note, clear, direct, accessible. Another, a link, with its visual preview, beautifully integrated. View modes. You change perspective, from cards to stacks. A faster overview, a different way of seeing. Scrolling. You scroll, everything you've saved, all in one place. This is not just a calendar, it's a system where ideas, tasks, inspiration, and vision come together. This is Flashback, your second brain. Wir freuen uns zu sehen, was Sie daraus machen.